Here are 5 life facts that sound fake but are 100% real. Brain lacks pain sensors. Surgery possible while awake. You've never actually seen your own face. Every version of your face you've seen is a reflection or a photo, never the real, flipped version everyone else sees. Your body glows, slightly. Humans emit a tiny amount of visible light due to biochemical reactions in our cells. Our eyes just aren't sensitive enough to see it. Most of your life is spent on autopilot. Studies show up to 40–50% of your daily actions are habits, not conscious decisions. You're running on mental scripts more than you think. You're older than you think. The atoms in your body are billions of years old. Many were formed in exploding stars. You're literally made of stardust.